The Magdalena Journey, why Colombia belongs on your river cruise list. Welcome back, and thank you for following along on this special series about river cruising in Colombia. Today, we're wrapping it all up with the big picture. What makes the Magdalena River experience so different, why it's meaningful, and why it deserves a spot on your travel list. The story begins in Cartagena, the walled city on the Caribbean coast. Its cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, and lively plazas make it the perfect gateway. From there, the Magdalena River becomes your pathway into Colombia's heart. You'll stop in towns that feel untouched by mainstream tourism. In Palenque, you step into history, the first free town in the Americas, and join a drumming and dance workshop. In Mompox, a colonial jewel, you'll hear live jazz on the streets and watch jewelers create delicate filigree by hand. Even the smaller villages like Santa Bárbara de Pinto welcome you with open arms. Locals share their traditions, from rolling cigars to weaving fishing nets. Every stop feels personal, not staged, but alive. Your ship is intimate, carrying just around 60 guests. Cabins are spacious, all with twin balconies so you can watch Colombia drift by. Dining reflects the country itself. Breakfast brings exotic fruits you've never seen before. Dinners highlight Colombian flavors and local ingredients. And evenings on the sundeck turn into memorable experiences, with tastings, live music, and incredible sunsets. But the magic of this journey is more than the scenery. It's the people. AmaWaterways made a commitment to hire locally, so everyone you meet on board, from the crew to the guides, is Colombian. That means the stories, the laughter, the recommendations, they're authentic, shared straight from the heart. The impact goes beyond the ship. Ama is helping build infrastructure, sourcing artwork, coffee, and chocolate locally, and even funding a new educational center in Calamar. This project will give children libraries, technology, and safe spaces to learn and grow, so when you sail the Magdalena, you're not just taking a trip, you're part of something that benefits entire communities. And the journey doesn't have to stop at the riverbanks. In Medellín, the city of eternal spring, you'll discover a city that transformed itself into one of Latin America's most innovative hubs. Take a cable car ride into the hills, explore vibrant neighborhoods filled with street art, and visit coffee farms high in the Andes. In Panama City, you'll combine the famous Panama Canal with cultural highlights. Stay at the Sofitel Legend in the Old Town. Explore the Biodiversity Museum. Designed by Frank Gehry, and travel by canoe to meet the Embera indigenous community. Together, these extensions add even more richness to your trip. If you're considering a holiday sailing, Colombia and Panama are perfect. The ships will be beautifully decorated, but what truly shines are the lights and festivities on shore. From December into February, the towns go all out with music, color, and community celebrations. It's not Christmas markets, it's Latin American warmth and joy. So why should Colombia be on your list? Because this isn't just another cruise. It's a journey that blends history, culture, nature, and human connection into one unforgettable experience. You'll return with more than photos. You'll return with memories of conversations, of laughter, of dancing and music, and a deep appreciation for a country that welcomes you like family. If Colombia is calling you, I'd love to help you plan the perfect sailing, whether that's choosing the right itinerary, adding Medellín or Panama, or making sure you get the best available promotions. Reach out anytime, and let's bring this experience to life for you. Plan your Magdalena journey with Lena. Info at sevenheaventravel.com.